know. You figure it out. Oh, you ain't getting in here. Jess, I got an idea. How are you going to come in your car?
Cool. Hold on, what?
Your car. Yeah? Try it open. Hit the button.
Yay! Yeah? It's not mine.
It's your new car! Yes, it is!
Take a look at it.
Do you like it?
I love it!
Yay! Yay!
Thank you so much!
You're welcome!
Yay! She liked it!
You're welcome, Pumpkin!
Hey! Congratulations! It's your mom and dad! Mom and dad!
Let's check it out.
That's why her vanilla ice baby in your car today. What?
Is it raining?
It was raining earlier.
Open the door. What?
You gotta drive me. You gotta drive me in my car, by the way.
Oh my god!
Are you okay to drive?
And the windows work. They go up and down. All of them do.
It doesn't leak any oil. The tires are
Look
good.
at the song too.
Look at your song. Turn it up.
It's got heat and air conditioning. I love it so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, you gotta give Mike the ride home.
Yeah, give me. Well, to my car. It's in Lambo.
Is that why your car wasn't working?
Yes.
It wasn't working.
Oh my god, so beautiful!
Rest your seat. Make yourself.
It happened.
Good job, Mikey.
And then that goes. And there's a lever over here for your back. What do you want to?
Up a little bit, yeah. Okay, let go. So cool!
We'll follow you.
I don't know how
Wait, remind us what you told Aunt Becca on the airplane.
I don't even know.
You said, before I leave here, I'm having a new car. Did you have any idea it'd be a new car like this?
No.
Right?
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
All right, you follow us.
Drive careful. We love you.
My car, Dad.